In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of FreshBooks versus QuickBooks versus Xero versus Wave for popular accounting and invoicing tools so you can see which one matches your workflow, your business size, and your real-world needs. FreshBooks takes a simple, user-friendly approach. It's built for freelancers, consultants, and small service-based businesses who want fast, professional invoicing, easy expense tracking, and simple financial overviews. You can create invoices on the fly, snap receipt photos to track expenses, and even turn tracked hours into billable time with minimal fuss. The interface is very clear, which means less setup stress and more time actually running your business. The trade-off is that FreshBooks isn't a full accounting suite. It doesn't handle complex payroll, inventory, or deep financial reporting. If your finances stay relatively straightforward, FreshBooks keeps it simple without drowning you in menus. QuickBooks is one of the most well-known options, and that's because it covers a broad range of accounting needs. It gives you invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, tax summaries, inventory support, and financial reports all in one place. QuickBooks scales well from small business bookkeeping to more advanced needs, including payroll add-ons and multi-user access. If you want an accounting tool that can grow with you and offer deeper insights, QuickBooks does that. On the other hand, it's more complex than FreshBooks. There's a bigger learning curve, and some users find the setup and navigation heavier, especially if all you really needed was basic invoices and expense capture. Xero sits somewhere between QuickBooks and FreshBooks, but leans toward the full accounting platform category. It offers invoicing, bank reconciliation, expenses, payroll in supported regions, time tracking, and strong reporting capabilities. Xero's bank feed automation is especially handy. Transactions sync right into the system and make reconciliations smoother. It supports multiple currencies and is built with small and growing businesses in mind. Its interface strikes a balance, powerful without being overwhelming, though it's still more complex than FreshBooks. If you expect your business to scale and you want clean financial control without switching tools later, Xero is a solid choice. Finally, Wave stands out because it offers free invoicing and basic accounting with no monthly fee for core features. If you're a solo freelancer or micro-business with a tight budget, Wave lets you send invoices, track income and expenses, and get simple financial reports without paying each month. It's very straightforward and easy to pick up. The downsides are its limitations. When you need payroll, advanced reporting, multi-currency support, or team access, Wave quickly feels too simple. And while the free option is appealing, some paid features, like payroll services, can add cost over time. So how do you choose between them? FreshBooks works best if you want easy, professional invoicing and expense tracking without heavy accounting complexity. QuickBooks is strong when you need comprehensive accounting tools that scale with your business, including inventory and payroll options. Xero fits if you want full accounting power with smoother automation and reporting in a business that's growing or plans to grow. Wave is a great choice if cost is your biggest concern and you need solid basics like invoices and income/expense tracking without paying monthly. Each of these tools serves a slightly different purpose. FreshBooks for simplicity and service businesses, QuickBooks for deep accounting capability, Xero for balance between power and usability, and Wave for budget-focused basics. Let me know in the comments if you've tried FreshBooks, QuickBooks, Xero, or Wave, or are considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.